Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a channel on Slack. Now, this is a very easy step, so you just have to be the admin of the workspace to delete channels. You can also create channels if you want. In this tutorial, I'm only gonna show you how to delete channels. So to delete channel, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or you can just go to your browser and open up Slack. I'm just gonna use my browser to do this, so I'm just gonna open my browser and go to slack.com. From here, I'm gonna see all the workspaces listed here. I'm just gonna go to the one in which the channel I'll delete, so just click on Slack launch and then just wait for the Slack to launch. You need to click on use Slack in your browser, and after that just wait. And there you go, this is the workspace, and as you can see, there's multiple channels over here. Okay, to now delete a channel, what you have to do is just go over to the channel, then just click on the channel name over here. That will get the channel details. After that, just go to settings from here, then scroll all the way down and you'll see delete channel. Now, if you click delete channel from here and then just click yes, permanently delete the channel, and click on delete channel once again, the channel will be successfully deleted. And basically that is how to delete a channel on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.